Morning mothers, morning mothers. Mbona mnasukumana hapo aki? So everybody should have their own space. We, Umele? Yes. Wametaga na wanasukumana tu hapa. You guys, my guy. Hey guys, bado mnasukumana tena wengine? Tawajegea more boxes. I'll buy you more boxes. Musijali. Sawa? I'll buy you more boxes. I want to see what you have there. Wewe, nataka muamke nichukue mayai. You guys, nataka muamke hapo. Hi, we are starting the weekend. How are you guys? These are Kienyeji pure chicks, and they are just 1 month old. If you compare this with the improved, they are a bit slow in growth because they are pure. Nini, I'm talking and you are there making noise. Can you shut up? Eish. Nimesikia umetaga, nyamaza tu kidogo. So guys, these are pure. If you need, I have like 50 pieces. This pure. Kama unataka, they are available. Hi investors, do you keep pure chicken? This pure chicken is the chicken that sit on eggs. Now, with this mama, we are on our 5th day. Yeah, we are on our 5th day. Doing fine. And this is a pure chicken. I always have my pure chicken with me. And those chicks, they don't grow that fast like improved. But their clients who are like, I just want a pure chicks. Let me show you the pure chicks which were hatched. They are like 1 week old. Let me show you. What can you see? Can you tell the legs? These are 1 week old chick. Unaona? The legs are yellow. These are pure chicken. As I told you, it does not grow fast. It takes time to grow. These are pure local chicken, and it has the ability to sit on eggs. Yeah, ndio hao wengine. And let me show you. Here we have the improved chick. You can see, you can tell. You see, this chick na hiyo ingine, they are of the same age, but you can tell hii ni kubwa sana. They are both 2 weeks old, but this one grows very fast. So you see the legs. I hope you can see. So now the legs are whitish. They are not yellow. And hii chick and that one, another one in that cage. Imagine they are same age, but this one ni kubwa sana. So you see, these chicks are whitish legs. This is what we call improved. So if you want business, for business, these are the improved. Now you can see now, like these chicks, they are 1 month old. These chicks, they are improved. Unaona, they grow very fast. Very fast. You see? Yeah. This is another mother hen sitting on eggs. You see? So if you want pure chicken, don't even ever mix. You give them their eggs, they sit on it, and you get pure chicks. Yeah, if you don't want anything to do with improved, you just get your pure chicken. Some of the advantages I always get. Some of the advantages of pure, they don't get sick. But this one, I always give them herbal treatment. Kuku wangu wako na nguvu jamani. Wow. These are pure. If you see. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. You have beautiful kids. You have beautiful babies. These are pure local. Hebu tu kwanza tuangalie tu miguu. Nana tu yellow issue tu. These are local pure chicken. Hapa tuna kanga. These are guinea frogs, eh? Unawaona? They are ready to be sold. Now they are 3 weeks old. If you need them, they are available. Tunaweza kutumia. Unaona? They are cutie. Guys, there are very huge difference between kienyeji pure chicken and improved chicken. This chicken, these are pure, and you can see the difference. Hata miguu, you can check. There's a very huge difference between. You see, now this chick is a bit smaller for one week. The growth is not the same with improved. So these are just pure chicks. Babies, day 1 chicks. These are pure kienyeji chicks. Angalia tu tumiguu. Ya tu yellowish. Unaona? These are pure. Angalia tumiguu. Pure. There are 25 pieces. Today they are day 1 pure chicks. Baby. Hi, baby. Hi, pure baby. Hi. Hi, babies. Hi. Sweet babies. They're old babies. These are 1 week old chicks. 1 week old babies. You see there's the difference. This is 1 week old. You see it has feathers. This is day old. This one need a lot of this needs a lot of care. This one can just go to the kwa nyumba ya kuku, to the poop, chicken poop. Babies. Hadi wanaenda. Wako poa. Hadi wanaenda. 1 week old. Nakana vizuri. Wamelala poa. Na huyu today old tuko poa?
Tuko poa.
Tumechangamka. These eggs ni za nini? These eggs ni za bata inaitwa Rouen. What? Rouen ducks, eh? These ones, eh? These are the normal. These are kienyeji, pure kienyeji eggs. From here we get pure kienyeji chicks. Like the chicks we got from that mama. Still. And this one, Rouen eggs. So, you are my student. Mmeelewa, mmeshika? Yeah? Your class mmeshika?
Kienyeji.
Good. Kienyeji what?
Kienyeji eggs. From a kuku.